That is a lot of corrosion. Yeah, it sounds absolutely delicious. So, a couple weeks ago, a customer brought this iPad in. They had it stolen, and a person took it to their place of residence, the people who stole it, and they turned it on, reset it, and then connected it to their Wi-Fi network, and then it pinged the Find My iPad system. And when that happened, police were called, and they tried to dispose of it by submerging this in water.
Are you f***ing dumb?
Like, you can actually hear it's not a good sound. So they're in court, they're dealing with this, and the customer brought it back to me and said, hey, can you take this apart and let me know what's inside? So we're gonna take a look, we're gonna see if there's sand or whatnot in there. And while this is not going back together, this is not getting repaired or restored, the customer still wants to know what's going on. So we are going to get it apart. I'm gonna heat it up and see what we have inside.
Why take someone's iPad?
Because people steal things, Emily. Like all of those Steam accounts that you have. You start to get this thing starting to. And as always with these iPads, the big thing, once you get them started, they're generally pretty easy to keep going. You just got to keep applying heat while not melting plastic to your body. And these are the laminated screens. So let's say you had a crack in this glass, just in the surface glass. You're replacing absolutely everything. Gotta make sure we are putting these separator picks all the way around as we're doing this. That is a lot of corrosion. Sounds absolutely delicious. And we have straight up sand in here. We have video proof of this being opened. So if this lady needs this in court, we can provide this. That on. So this is my assumption. Where it was found was next to a lake. And that was next to where the Find My iPhone thing was. So my assumption here is that when they discovered that they couldn't reset it because it was locked to her Apple account, to get rid of the evidence, they threw it in a lake. That, ladies and gentlemen, is straight up sand.
This is sand! Yeah!
Not a tub. It's just good old Florida sand. Nothing special. And all of that had, because these are sealed on the bottom, all of that had to come in through this spot right here. So this is the actual charging port. I mean, you can see like not looking good around here. But yeah, that is just sand. Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you liked that video, make sure you hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And I stream daily on Twitch at twitch.tv/SpecVengeance. And yeah, if you want to learn more about my services, check out Bradenton PC Repair.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.